Removes up to 99% of plaque in hard-to-reach areas. Based on a single-use brushing study. Helps improve gum health in 4 weeks by reducing gingivitis. Provides up to 55% better cleaning along the gum line versus a regular manual toothbrush. Based on a single-use brushing study. Removes surface stains and polishes teeth. Removes odor-causing germs from the tongue. Tight spaces are the easiest places for plaque to build up and the toughest to clean, since straight-bristle toothbrushes struggled to reach them. But Pro Health All-in-One with cross-action bristles attack plaque from the perfect angle and optimal 16-degree cleaning better than straight ones. Plus, Pro Health's tongue cleaner helps remove germs from the tongue. Top reviews from the United States. Best toothbrush I've ever used. This is the best non-electric toothbrush ever. My electric is great, but it's a production to use it versus grab and brush of manual, so the electric is for nighttime and this one morning and before going out. As for the person who said this brush is too hard, well, you probably aren't flossing and have infected gums. This brush is firm enough to work, but not so hard as to hurt anyone with healthy gums.